simbaran ko, ang tanaw bilin ko. Unay ang puto tuma, ikaw magkawapit na, di na ko magkalinda, kay mo magpangasawa.
Mga reyang haadlaw ini ang kita bisita from other countries, so nakaka-overwhelm talaga. Inlayo sinhula nila, narituon sila na misita Marita 2nd District of Cebu, which is Daluog Municipality. So mga tuwan mga reyang kabihayaon, alasong hunta siya bang uno naman lang tabihayan in experience na rin di ha Municipality of Luog. So mga kalasahan asong hunta Hizara all the way from California.
Hi!
So, Madam, I have some few questions for you.
Yes.
Okay, so how was your experience here in 2nd District of Cebu, which is the Luog Municipality?
Cebu has been nothing short of amazing. It's beautiful. It's not overrun with tourists like some of the other islands. I've now traveled like to a good amount of islands in the Philippines, and this one is by far my favorite.
Oh wow, thank you so much. So mga tanong ko rin, diyog na to na na-amaze talaga siya. Rin di ihahula talang tabi Luog Municipality, especially rin di iha Mans Beach Resort. Okay, so ma'am, another question for you.
Yeah, to swim in these beautiful crystal clear blue waters. It's like water I've never seen before. It's so blue. So the location's perfect. It's very relaxing and tranquil, and it's just not super busy, which I think is one of the best parts. You could just kind of enjoy yourself and time with family.
Wow, that's good. So, another question. Sa isa pa mo po makalasahan. So, asuhunta siya bang how safe she is, then di hahulata. So, how safe you are, ma'am, here in Luog, Cebu?
Oh, I feel very safe here. I'm actually here traveling with my two children. So, 8 and 11 years old. And I've not one time felt unsafe. I felt like very secure. People are so friendly and easy to approach, and they want to approach me, and it's been very good.
Wow, thank you so much for the beautiful words. So mga tuwan mga rayang, kita na to na ibang dihog na to na ibang likat himumungan niya na iniyan niya 100% safe siya rin di Luog Municipality. So ha mga friendship ko dyan sa Buanga, Basilan, tawi-tawi into the rest of the world na mamaya lang ito Misita Maripa Mans Beach Resort na Luog Municipality, please do come and visit because you are very welcome. Once again, Ma'am Zara, thank you so much for that beautiful question and answer. Ayan.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Ma'am.
It's been a pleasure.
Enjoy your day here.
Thank you. I will.
Okay, bye everyone.
Thank you.
So mga tuwan mga rayang ang pakita actually asumon all the way then from California do kaing batch naman ini. So alhamdulillah all I can say is that perfect talaga ang municipality na puntahan ng mga turista kahit sa ibang bansa dumadayo pa sila. So in a while mayroon tayong mga friendship California, ayan sila, so tatanungin natin, okay? So ma'am, kumusta naman po ang biyahe nyo all the way from California pa kayo papunta ng Luog Municipality? How does it feel? Nandito na kayo.
Mga bata actually, first time. Yeah, that was fun for them.
I see. So, kumusta naman ang inyong mga experience dito sa Luog Municipality? I mean like, what is your first impression?
Nanonood ng documentary.
Okay.
Tungkol sa Kulo.
Okay.
Sabi nga niya, bakit ka pupunta doon? Magulo.
Magulo daw.
Pagdating dito, sabi niya, oh, it's so peaceful.
Yeah.
So, talagang ano, it's
yeah. Ang masasabi ko naman ma'am, regarding sa peace and order dito sa 2nd District ng Luog Municipality, actually we are very safe here. So hindi tayo dapat matakot. Kung meron mamatakot, dapat kami yung mga talaga dito. Pero, di ba, look at us, we keep on smiling, we're living in a peaceful life. So, ibig sabihin, maganda ang leadership ng mga tao dito sa Luok Municipality. So, kaya, ang sasabi ko lang sa inyo, just enjoy your day, your vacation here. Huwag kayong mag-isip ng mga bad things kasi nasa social media, nasa mga reporters na yan, ang mga ganong klaseng issues.
Pati nga yung mga ano sabi, panatag ko ng mga Pilipinas.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, in fairness naman,
especially in you are very, very safe.
yes,
Can you be safe?
Sana marinig ito ng mga, makita ito ng mga ibang bansa. Paano mo maramdaman kung hindi ka pupunta?
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
Para malaman mo, it's real. It's not fake news. It's real. Kailangan pumunta na kayo dito mga besi. I can assure you 101% you are safe in our place.
So mga tuwan, mga rayang yung dato na himumungan si mga guests all the way from California, USA. So alhamdulillah, they are so very happy to be here, especially the Luok Municipality, along the Sinhamans Beach Resort. Ang ganda mga friendship ko dyan all over the world. Once again, I'm inviting you to please do come and visit the beautiful Mans Beach Resort located at Luok, 2nd District of Sulu. Once again, magsukol makaamkehemo makalasahan. Thank you so much mga madam. Enjoy your stay here and
Isa-isa mura kuman biyaya